What up, y'all? I'm gonna be like 2, maybe 3 minutes before we get rolling on this. What up? What up? What up? Capital currency 299 holla. What's up, Mr. Capital Currency? Jack, Jim Cope. I think, yeah, Jim's in here. Rick, Scott, what's going on? Little last minute. Why the heck not jump on and do a live stream? What's up, Scoop? Scoop, you'll never guess what I got lurking right here. What's up, Eric? Oh man, the lag looks bad tonight. Scoop. I got that one sold finally though. Living the dream, that's right. Having a good old time doing it. I finally sold that one. So actually, I think I'm gonna trade it. Gringo. He said he wants one. I just gotta figure out a trade for him. He's got some pretty cool stuff, so I'm sure we could work it out. Oh man, Rick, you need one too? I think, you know what? I think I do have another one hiding somewhere. Because I was gonna plan on keeping one, but I can't keep everything. Check these out though. Just picked these up. These just came in today. This lag is really nuts tonight. What's up, Bo? So look at those 3 chumps on top of the dragon's head. Oh, that's funny. I saw it on Instagram. I had to buy a couple. Inflation is coming. I thought that was hilarious. Silverstruck, what's up? Amanda, hello. How's the grandbaby? Yeah, I thought those were great. What else I get? I got a couple of these. Well, you're looking at one on the old commode up there. I picked up a reverse proof set. Oh, you know, I forgot to change my sign. All right, so the first people here, you're going to get to see the sign before anybody else because it's not going up tonight. I forgot I wanted to change it, but I didn't. That's the new one. Please only flush toilet paper. I got 2 more. One I don't want to show until a couple more people come in here because they'll get it more than most people. Best seat in the house right there. Ship on the commode. That's right. I thought that was great. Had to pick those up. Had to. Second one is Pelosi. What's up, Scott? I sent you the email, dude. Yeah, I know. I thought it was great, though. I thought it was really cool. And I picked up one of these bad boys. Probably go up for auction. 2-ounce proof 2021. Plata Piora. I love those. I think those are like becoming my favorites really quickly. Picked up this 2018 Proof 70 Ultra Cameo, the Silver Flush. That's right. So yeah, that was pretty cool. What else did I get? I put some stuff away, so I didn't sell it. Got some gold. Had to get one of those tigers. I thought that was really cool. I think I'm gonna try to get a 1/4 ounce, so I might sell this one and try to get the 1/4 ounce, just because I think that looks so cool. And I got the Year of the Rabbit 1/20th. Like that one. Yeah, the bridge on it. Yep. You know what? I wouldn't mind talking about some crypto, because crypto's kind of it's on the upswing right now, so I don't really mind pushing it a little bit. I don't want to say pushing it, because I don't do that, but giving my opinion on it, I don't mind that. Just it was in such a downturn, and of course I was out of Bitcoin when it went ahead and jumped up to over 60K, which was ridiculous. Okie Treasure Hunter, what's going on? This I'm not selling. It's like a reverse proof kook. Really cool. I thought that was awesome. So yeah, I figured we'd do a chat for a little bit. I might auction a couple items off, maybe a handful at the most. So I had this before, but the person that bought it never paid for it, so it's back on the block. Oops. Did you get in early on Sheba, Rick? Oh man, Silverstruck, I know. They're beautiful. And I like that that's kind of just like their regular, that's their norm, they do that. Oh, I picked up something else too. I'm on like the reverse proof kick right now. I'm like back and forth. I don't know if I want to sell. I got a reverse proof 2-ounce 2020 Libertad. I mean, if anybody knows about those reverse proof Libertads, the premiums that come with it, and it's a 2-ounce. So I got this mint set, actually from American Eagle Hoarder, back when the cases were still really cool. So it's a 2012 reverse proof Scott. Oh, Scott, sorry, man, I didn't even see it on there.
What's up, buddy?
What's
going
up,
on?
buddy?
What's going on?
Oh, nice. Demo Dan, what's going on? Vacation time. What's up, buddy? So I picked up this. This I didn't notice had some toning going on.
What the hell?
So it's got some toning on the reverse proof. Not liking that.
Oh, wow, that's the raw version of that one set I got.
That's 2018, I say? 2012.
So toning doesn't affect the grade, I'm sure, right?
No, it don't. I don't think so, anyway.
I mean, graded that set's worth about 300 at least.
Bitcoin's gonna make you wealthy. Jim, man, I didn't miss the boat, because you could still get on it. It's gonna go. I mean, I could see that thing well over 100,000. I had a lot in it a long time ago, and I took it all out. What's up, Mark B? What's up, Brian? No, I'm kicking myself. I got a lot of XRP.
I just hold on to the XRP. Kind of Ethereum and Bitcoin has already taken off
Yeah,
for this round, at least. And it
Bitcoin.
might even be a dead cat bounce where it's like everybody thinks it's going to go up, but it's already reached 60,000, so you don't know.
Yeah, 60,000 was like it's brick wall. Like every time it would get there, and then it would get beat down. How long ago did you get in it, Jim? If you don't mind me asking. But yeah, 60K was forever. It's like not gonna go past it level. And
I
now
think,
finally it's broken it and it's stayed above it. So that's probably the new floor.
I mean, Bitcoin never got below 20,000, and Ethereum got down to 16,000, like on this last bear run. So I don't know. I mean, I wanted to get into Ethereum. It's over 4K now.
That's awesome, Jim. Good for you, man. What's up, gang?
14K.
How are ya? Long time.
Gang.
I love the green label pandas for some reason. Just showing off my new pickups and kind of yapping away.
Nice, man. 69.
What? It tanked all the way to 8K. I bounced back all within 5. Are you kidding me? It will hit 250. I wouldn't doubt it, Jim. I don't doubt it at all. I used to think like 100K was going to be its top, because it's kind of an older crypto. So I never really had thought that it would go that high, but now I've completely changed the way I think about that. I think that's to be in at that level too, Jim. That's incredible, really.
That's why it's like you got your XRP at a good price, so that's you sold most of your other ones and just stick with what you got.
Or 5, yeah, I think so. Yeah, Demo Dan, I might be able to help you out with that one. Got some experience there. You got a half ounce gold proof 21. What, the Libertad? I'm glad to get you back, Rick. Jim, you're sitting pretty. Sent it to PCGS. Oh man. I got one proof. I got a reverse proof 1/20th ounce Libertad.
I know that coin.
That's the only gold Libertad that I have. I'm gonna start stacking up on some gold now. Silver, I've reached like the point where I don't want to spend the money that it's gonna take to get the Morgans that I want. So I got a little side fund going for that. Spray can coins, what is up?
There's a lot of people been asking about that Bart Simpson coin.
Really?
Yeah, if you're selling that, there's a lot of people that want it. I'm like, mine's not for sale. I need my Bart.
I don't even remember what I bought it for. Michael says 1 million in 3 years. Holy cow. Are you in any other cryptos, Jim, or just Bitcoin? Can't wait till it's Friday. Yeah, see, that's what I do. Every week I think there's four of them that I put $100 into every week. And then I move it around. Like Shiba, I've bought and sold Shiba 5 times already.
I still haven't done any Shiba.
What are you waiting for, dude? Just
I'm
throw
gonna
like
get
$50 in it.
I got I'm gonna get Coinbase
Oh
and
yeah, you got to.
I mean, I just the platforms I got just don't really have wallets, and they're not really even my crypto. So I got to do it right, but I got to wait for me to get some good legit money. I'm gonna put some good money in it this time.
Yeah, I wouldn't wait though. I mean, if you could, just even if it's $20, you're gonna get like 2 million, dude. So if it goes to a penny, you're gonna be doing all right.
Yeah, we'll see. I mean, I don't know. Looking at the charts right now, everybody thinks it's gonna pop. Oh, here's the run. I mean, there's been times when it's popped like this and it's dived down. So I don't know. There's a lot of people, maybe invest a little bit now and more later, but you don't want to wait.
Yeah. And if there were any other than the XRP, because I've told that story 1,000 times. If there was another one that I would let money sit in, it would be Bitcoin.
Yeah, there's
Yeah,
some of
40
them.
shares of it. Man, Jim, if that thing really pumps hard, you're set, dude. I mean, hell, with 40 of them at they are now, you're set. But we're not
Yeah,
set, but you're doing
GameStop
well.
pump too. I was in AMC for a little while.
I would, Jim, just for the heck of it, man. I swear, every time that I put money into it, it's gone up. Not
Well,
that it's going to continue to. It's just look what happened with Dogecoin.
I
It
was just
was.
gonna say that they got up to 70 something cents, I believe, and now it's around it's in the 20s.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, if you got into that on below 10 cents, you're freaking good.
Oh
So
yeah.
yeah, it's a good point. I mean, I'm just scared that Shiba is just gonna be, I don't know. We'll see.
I just I just hope you don't wait too long to get into it, man. Like even like I said, if you could freaking sell one of your coins and
Well, it's not about that. You put in as much as you're willing to lose,
yeah,
but after 8 months of investing in silver and gold and cryptos and stocks and all this stuff, I've kind of got a lot in now. Dollar cost averaging and kind of
yeah,
just building it up on the dips and dang, is that the 2020?
2021.
Oh man,
I just finally pulled the trigger on the 2021 5 ounce reverse proof Libertad.
jeez, how many
I can't.
thousands was that?
I cannot. I got a great deal on it, dude.
Wow.
And I got the other two, which I got a great deal on those too. I got really lucky with those 2 ounce reverse proofs. What's up, Sharp Eye?
Did you see Muscle Shell's video for Ringen? Ringen did a Libertad ring.
Oh yeah,
Thing
that
is
thing's
fire.
awesome.
That thing is. I gotta watch more of his videos. This stuff's so cool.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, Jim. Why not take the risk? I got $500 in it right now, and
Yeah.
and 450 of it is profit from Shiba.
Huh. That's kind of how I got with my Cardano. I've got a few hundred in that, and it's worth a lot now. And I'm getting staking on it also. Well, they pay you every month for the percentage of how much you own. And
Yeah, I always wondered about that.
a lot of
Is it
people are
risky?
staking. No, I mean you definitely get, it's like dividends in stocks. So you get a percentage of however much when I had MDU stocks back a few years ago. Every month I would get a nice little dividend. No, it wasn't every month. Maybe it's quarterly. But yeah, you get dividend checks every so often.
Really?
So yeah, it's a staking. Yeah, if that's the whole thing, if you're just going to let your crypto or any of your stocks, well, crypto sit, stake it. Why the frick not? Like a lot of people with Ethereum 2.0, yeah, they're staking that shit.
Sharp
Stuff.
Eye, how's it going,
Sorry,
man?
no cussing. Just kidding. And that's
I'd
true
buy
too,
gold.
Sharp Eye. Like, yeah, if I have $500, I'm kind of more. I'm gonna chill out on silver for a while, but I want to just stack gold.
Yeah, but I mean, I'm not to say that I'm an intelligent investor in crypto because I am not. Maybe I'm just getting lucky. But with Shiba, I've already made
Right.
I've doubled my money. I took it out, put it back in, made a little bit more. It's I get maybe I'm lucky. I don't know. It's just the meme stock, I guess, is it's just like a meme stock in the stock market. When they go for the short
Hmm.
squeeze,
Hmm.
you get in, you can get out, and you make some money. You don't,
Hmm.
that's definitely not a long term investment type of thing. But like I said, Bitcoin has changed my mind, for sure. So everything that I put into Bitcoin from here on out, it's just going to stay there.
Hmm.
Kind of like what I do with XRP, but all my XRP is all profit too. Like I don't have any of my own money in it, just my profits in it.
Well, you just got to
Which,
pay attention when it does blow up. You just got to take your profits and just, keep some of it if you want, or just get totally out.
yeah,
Like somebody said, you got to always take your profits.
yep,
Because I didn't. You got out of most of your cryptos, like a few months ago. It was a Sunday night, and I should have, but I didn't when everything pumped, and here I am regretting it. So I don't know, but I still have the same amount. I'm not really down a lot, so we'll wait for it to pump again.
sorry, my earphones went out for a second.
Oh, you're good.
So what crypto are you in?
I got some Bitcoin Cash, Dogecoin, um, and Cardano, ADA. Cardano is going to be big. I mean, it's kind of like a mini Ethereum, and hopefully it's going to be. I mean, there's a lot of EFTs getting put into. I'm not going to get into this. I'm not that knowledgeable about crypto, so I'll refrain. But EFTs, that's definitely going to be big. There's a lot of platforms coming up with EFTs recently.
Mm. That's 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 crazy, Jim. But yet the short selling on these stocks are
Oof.
it amazes me. I don't really fully understand how that works. TNT,
Correct.
how's it going?
It's basically like you're buying one stock, and you're paying for fractions on it, but you're getting 100 stocks to it. You're almost kind of borrowing money for it.
Right.
And a lot of these brokerages have like funds and stuff set up to back up those 100 stocks. But I don't know. They're basically saying, oh well, a week from now the stock's going to be at this price, higher or lower.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. I'm not even going to try that.
Yeah, like I don't fully get how you can short a stock 140%. Like I don't understand how that works. So which makes sense to kind of what Jim just said. How if you hit that short squeeze and you force those hedge funds to sell, the stock could just go incredibly stupidly high.
Just ask GameStop and AMC.
Yeah,
A few others too. Look at that thing. That thing is so freaking sweet.
I know.
Reverse proof anything is just dope.
Yeah, I don't know, man. Like
Two
this.
ounce.
Let me grab an eagle. We'll compare.
Jealous, telling you, Rick. Like you said,
Hang on one second.
TNT, you only lose when you sell. So I mean, I'm down a little bit right now on my cryptos, but I haven't sold, so once it pops back up, I'll be good. Tesla, exactly. I had Apple for a while, and I got out of it. I was kind of just swing trading and day trading for a while.
Yep, yeah, my brother owned a bunch of Tesla before they split. Oh my god. He sold it.
That's how I was with the
He's
AMC.
like,
Ugh.
I talked to him. What had happened today or yesterday when Tesla hit 1 trillion?
Hmm.
That's just insane. What's up, Millstacks? Christian,
Bought the
hello.
stock, immediately sell, and promise to give it back at a later time. If it goes lower, you make money. Yeah, you get a lower price.
Yeah, I get the principle behind it, but I don't understand how they can do what they do with it. Like that's what I don't get. There's it's like I don't know. I'm really digging deep into finances right now. How the financial system works, how money works, And I just haven't gotten to like. I understand investing to a point, as much
What the
as
hell we
any
got here?
average person can. Because I only
2013.
started learning about real investing, maybe year and a half ago.
Oh, one of the channels I really like about cryptos, his name's Benjamin Cohen. He's a channel that a lot of other channels recommend. He's really good. What do you got there, buddy? 2013.
Yeah.
And
Oh, yeah.
then
So I wanted to compare the.
70. Oh
Yeah, I guess the eagle. Now that I see them side by side.
man. Wow. The hedgies and the fundies. Both of them, man. They're just sick.
Yeah, that makes sense, Jim. That's what I was just watching too. How the Fed, how it works. From start to finish. Like the Fed prints the note, gives the note, puts interest on the note, then collects the note. So they print money out of thin air, and then there's actual owners to the Fed when they get a 6% kick on all the profits, which apparently a lot of people don't know that the Fed is a privately owned organization, which is just insane. What's up, Polybuck? Mark B. Yeah, I'm thinking the Eagle too. I'm liking it. Coin Sniper sneaky
Dude, I
live
don't
stream.
know.
That's right.
I don't know more. Man, I don't know. They're both fire. I really want to start collecting more Libertads, but God, they're the premium on
Oh
those
yeah,
are even more than the Eagles.
I know. BR, what's going on?
I don't even, yeah, I don't even know where to start.
Yeah, and here's that's the enhanced.
2019. Holy sh! Is
So yeah,
that?
I'm thinking the
That's a.
Eagle.
Oh, that's a W. I was like, is that the S? Wow.
I mean, as far as looks, these are my favorite. Libertad's obviously the second, but my favorite coins, Morgans. You got that
You still?
2019?
No. I wish I had both, especially that S, but I think sweet. You you don't like the Type 2s? A lot of people, I don't know, I'm kind of here both ways now, especially the new reverse proof. I think I love that thing.
Yeah, I know I do. I like the reverse proof. The Type 2 for sure. I like them. I got my Polly Buck actually gave me the 2020, didn't give it to me, but he gave it to me at a really good deal. The 2021 reverse proof set. Then my LCS had one that I got picked up from him. Both of them are in the box sealed, never been opened. It's like, do I take them out, look at them, or I leave them, or I send them in? I'm torn.
But my question is don't you have to open it to get your paperwork out?
I agree, TNT. They open the top of the box, yeah, like they open part of it, but they don't open like the packaging, I guess, that's wrapped in the boxes wrapped in. Which I can't believe how crappy they did the boxes, like
Well, mine was kind of just wrapped in kind of like just paper. I mean, once you open the brown box is just, paperwork in the box. The box wasn't wrapped in anything. Huh, maybe I'm missing something.
mm. You know what? I mean, overall, as much as the mint sucked, they did a good job this year, I think, on the redesign. Like I don't really love the 2021 like the BU like these. I don't love them, but it's something you can definitely get used to. Like that's not terrible. Cuz this is just such an old we're just used to this design, and I think that's really all it is. You've seen this for so long. Not that it's a bad design at all. I do like it, obviously, but the
A
Type
lot of
2
people,
is just, I think it'll grow on you.
Well, a lot of people don't like the gold Type 2 design either, and I think that thing's
Oh,
fire too.
that's the best.
The
Definitely the
fonts
best.
change.
Yeah, it looks a lot better. It does. Really? Ah, Jim, that's crazy. Now you're gonna make me start buying some of it again.
Oh no.
I'm gonna wait for the dip. I'm gonna start getting back in it.
Well, I mean, I was looking at GameStop. I had like a hundred stocks at about $7. Last I looked, it was in the 30s, but it pumped up to 70 something. And GameStop, God, I remember I could have had that when it was in the hundreds, probably in February. Now it's up to what, 300? I haven't even looked. What's GameStop at?
Yeah, I mean, I'm in a few right now. There's this
177.
vaccine stock. It's called OCGN, and I played with it down when it was like in the $2-3 range and on up, and it's they're waiting on the WHO to approve them
So
for
so
emergency use.
it's an IPO, or it's already been
No, it's on the
put on the
no,
spin.
yeah, it's on the market. The WHO is they were supposed to have a meeting today or tomorrow to just to say yes or no you can have emergency use. It's already being used in India for kids 2 and up or 2 to 15 or something like that. And then they delayed it again. So it was like I had it at $8 and it went up to 12.50. Of course, I'm holding because I'm waiting for the news, hell or high water. That's what I want to do. If the news comes out, it's gonna go nuts. But then there's they want some more information or something, so it drops in like 30 seconds from 12.50 to 8.50. Of course, it got halted twice on the way down, halted on the way up.
God. So,
What's up, DOA?
so that happens. You got Robinhood or something?
TD. Yeah,
Hmm.
Jim, I heard about that. His new media what the heck is it called? It's supposed to be like kind of like a Twitter,
Oh
but he's gonna
Lord.
do everything, like he's planning on like going after PayPal and like it's gonna be like a big media corporation of some sort. And I can't remember the name. I was just looking into that last night.
Whack.
It's supposed to be a really big deal though. DOA came to ask the plumber and all right,
What's
DOA,
up?
since you just got here, you got to choose. Which one do you like better?
Both damn cool.
I mean, not
But you have to
disregard the
choose.
size. I don't have a 1 ounce reverse proof. I wish I did, but I don't.
Hmm.
But yeah, OCGN, that's one that I'm holding. I'm gonna see what happens. Now they're saying November 1st or November 4th is supposed to be their meeting. And they're already using it in India, like I said. So I knew you would say that, Eric.
One of my stocks I still got is Riot blockchain, and they're Bitcoin miners,
Yeah.
and they just came out with some more efficient, because that's what dropped a lot of Bitcoin was stupid freaking Elon Musk bitching everybody out about and it's true. I mean, the power consumption that people use to mine crypto is pretty bad. So Riot has come up with some like liquid cooled, some kind of rig to mine their stock from now on. So it's supposed to be like really energy efficient, and they're at a really really cheap price right now. Riot's, I hope, going to blow up here soon.
Yeah. And MAR or MRNA. No, MARA. That's another one. So it's like Riot.
Yeah,
What's up,
yeah,
B2?
yeah. Marathon.
Oh yeah, it's GW. I gotta remember that.
DWAC. Yeah, I've heard of that.
Because
I didn't know.
how he is. He's gonna hype that thing up. It'd be good to be in early.
Oh, this is going to be worse than Douchecoin. It's going to be hyped up like Elon Musk, and anytime he tweets something, it's going to
Yeah,
jump up, a bunch. And I don't know.
I'm glad
It
Jim
kind
brought
of
that up.
it's good and bad in a lot of ways when a stock is affected by somebody doing something like
Oh,
that.
it's already trading, huh?
It's crazy.
Now it's 56. I didn't know. I see. I just learned about it last night, so I didn't even know it was trading already.
Kind of the opposite. Everybody hyped up Coinbase when it came out, and it came out at 400, and it dropped down to like 200, and it's barely above 300 now as a
Yeah,
stock.
yeah. The reverse proof Libertad is crazy resale value always. But as far as looks, I mean, I like the Eagle now that I see them right up next to each other. And that reverse proof Libertad is just beautiful. What's up, Mopar?
Mopar doing some test streams today, man.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Yeah, so he got that going. So I think Mopar's looking to get up on panel sometime here soon.
Rick, that's funny. What's up, Bo? Yeah, I agree, DOA.
I think
And
so
I
too.
really like when I first got that Libertad in my hand. I mean, I was almost drooling, but I never compared them like one next to the other. And I thought that the Libertad was my favorite until I put them up to next to each other. Well, Bo, you know what? This one might be for sale. I haven't decided yet until I get the other ones in. So if it is, maybe we can make a deal. Maybe, because I don't even know if I want to let it go. What's up, Heavy Arrow? Dropped in and hit the like, say hi. What's going on?
Exactly. Buy the dip, it'll go up sometime.
Yeah, no vacation time. It's like, what do you do in this time? You pick one and you run with it, really. I guess
Mm-hmm.
that's why we stack silver and gold.
Because it's more steady, it's not as volatile.
I mean, silver, gold, like I was reading, I wasn't reading, I actually watched a documentary on what gold would be if they went back, kind of toward the gold standard, and it would just be the Marvin coin. Oh my God. I saw one the other day too, and I just missed it. Somebody else got it. But yeah, gold would be worth like an astronomical amount. So I don't know. Who knows what's going to happen? It's something that is very, very, very interesting when you dig really deep into the financial system and how rigged it actually is. It's insane. It's like no
Going
wonder why it's very hard for people to get ahead.
going back to the short selling of the stocks. I mean, I don't know, that's just, I mean, when these corporations get away with it, I mean, they just get fined a big old, they just get fined a bunch and they don't care. They still make
Hmm.
billions, millions.
What's up, Yankee? I stole your name or your ask part. Yeah, that was very. It's. I'm so glad that I started digging into it because it's so interesting how they rig the system. Like it's nuts how hard it is to understand. Like there's parts of videos or parts of a book that I have to reread 10 times just to like pretend like I understand it. It's I don't. It's hard to explain.
Well,
I
you
gotta
want
get better at understanding it.
go watch those videos that Yankee has about the mining stocks. And I mean, not necessarily just that one he's talking about. There's a lot of mining stocks that you should probably kind of look
Have a good night,
into.
Sharp Eye.
Kind of a,
Go ahead. The mining stocks.
yeah, whether it be silver or gold.
Are you in some?
Oh no, I got some GSX coin, and that's kind of based off of gold I mean, they own their own mine in Africa, and um, I don't know. It's
So
it's
how
supposed to be a
do you rate the stocks like Yankee has his I don't want to say a list, but how to qualify a mining stock? Is that how you go about it?
no. I mean, a lot of the stuff I got into just because I just heard, I didn't really. This is kind of before I looked into stuff. So I mean, I put a few hundred into it, and just it hasn't done anything really. It's not even on any major marketplaces like Coinbase or anything. It's just kind of a crap coin stock, really. I don't know how to describe it. Be patient.
All right, I'm looking for the best one
That
here. National debt chart.
that kind of goes with anything. You get anything in it. You get into anything at a low price. You got to be patient with it. It might go up, but you got to trust and kind of know if you're going to take your profits then or just let it ride. And like TNT said, you don't lose until you sell.
Mm-hmm. So we're 23 trillion. That was back March. This is 2020. That's the wrong one.
Excellent point, BR. That's what I'm gonna do. I mean, I want to instead of turning all of my stuff into gold and silver, taking my profits from stocks and everything, crypto, turn it into gold and silver. I want to turn it into a business to where it's like my business grows, and then then start taking profits from there eventually. But
Mm-hmm.
I mean, you've been doing your business for well over 20 years, so it's like are you growing your business anymore by doing any of this, or
By doing any of what?
I don't know. I mean, branching out to other cities or kind of.
Oh no, I've owned a business for about 13 years, but
Still,
really I've owned my own business by myself for I would say 5 years now because I was partners with my brother for a while.
hmm,
B2, you have a great night. Thanks for hanging out, man.
take care, B2.
She was up. Test logic. So what's interesting about Jim says dollar to gold is 21,500. Dollar to silver seems like he's missing a number. Oh, 21 to 5. All right, I'm reading that wrong.
Just like dividends.
I have my business.
22.
You started from the ground up, Jim?
That's too cool, Jim.
That's awesome. And what's really interesting is the amount of debt that we collected. I want to say it was until the gold standard. We got taken off the gold standard in 71, I think it was. And we were like $500 million in debt or something like that as a country, which was, I think that was hidden. It might have been before that, like the 60s is when we were like $500 million in debt. And then it went up to like a trillion or something in the 80s. And then all of a sudden, here we are in 30 years, we've accumulated 20 some $trillion in debt.
And the Fort Knox hasn't been inventoried since the 60s, and that was kind of half-ass. I mean, they showed you one room of all that, so nobody knows if there's any gold in Fort Knox or not. Probably not.
I'm sure there is. I know they had to pay a lot out when everybody started wanting they started calling their notes in. That's why they took us off in 71, because if we would have just kept giving the money out when they exchanged their dollars, we'd have been done.
Like doing a run on the bank, kind of. Everybody was just exchanging their dollars for gold.
Yeah.
Huh.
Not us, other countries were. They were calling in their notes.
Huh.
Since the beginning of the millennium, our federal debt has been on an unsustainable path. If our current policies remain the same, it's expected that the debt held by the public will rise to 144% of GDP by 2049, which this is 2020, so it's probably way beyond that by now. The growing federal debt. What happened there?
Doesn't look like it's going to get better, much better anytime soon. I mean, what would it take to even turn that around?
Well,
To
you
get,
see, I was listening to a guy on, I think it was on, I want to say it was on the radio, like talk radio. And I guess it can be done I mean, we would have to we'd have to run the country as somebody that needed to pay it though, and we just don't run like that, so it's like, our military is $700 billion a year plus. So if we cut 200 billion off of that, I'm not saying we need to, or we will, there's 200 billion. And then Medicaid, or not Medicaid, but all the the things that the government just gives out for free, they cut a billion here, a billion here, a billion here. There's $1 trillion right there in 1 year, so I'm not saying that we could actually do that, because there'd be a lot of people hurting for one.
right.
There'd be a lot of job loss for another, because the government is a huge employer. So that's just, and they know that every time they argue about the debt ceiling, it's a freaking joke, because they have to do it. Like, they can't not do it.
Well, I got a kind of a stupid question. So we had the gold standard back in the day, gold, whatever it is worth at the time. All of our currency was based off of the gold standard. Why don't we have a silver-backed currency system, like a silver standard? Because I mean, maybe that would even pump up the price of silver. We're kind of matching every, because all these corporations, like PSLV or SLV, they've been, stockpiling kilo bars of silver for a long time. Why are they doing all that? I mean, I don't know. Kind of just random questions I've asked in the floor, and nobody's really kind of answered me. Because I mean, is it because one's a precious metal, they're both kind of been used as currency for thousands of years, but I mean, maybe Jim would know that, because he was saying, like one's worth 21 and the other's worth 3. Yeah, massive inflation.
Yeah. I mean, it says right there, a 10-year interest cost is $5.8 trillion. Like, that's interest. In 2020, that was in 2020. So Jim says gold is really worth 21,500. Silver is really worth 3,080. That's the debt chart due to the Fed holding. I got you.
Okay.
Rick, have a great night. What's up, Antonio?
So then what's the ratio of that? 21,500. 21,500 divided by 3,080. So that's a 6-to-1 ratio. Because right now, it's like 70s now. The gold to silver ratio is like 75-to-1, almost 80. That's weird.
Yeah. These are all 2020. Where is that? 27 trillion in 2020. That's that's crazy. What a joke. Maybe 2021. That might help.
But they've been saying that, Jim, for a while. And that's, we all, because, yeah, it definitely has a lot of upside for sure. Same with copper. Copper was pretty cheap, a year or two ago. Now it's up like doubled, tripled.
Mm-hmm. I also, what's up, Tracy? I heard that, I don't remember the country, but the federal bank in that country owns 80% of the stock market. I don't remember what country it was, but it was just absolutely insane. And that goes back to the whole thing, like the Fed, they have no money. They make the money, literally make it to give it to people. So for them to make it and then go buy stocks or bonds or whatever it is they're buying, they're just creating money and buying it. You know what I mean? Like, how how ridiculous it, how ridiculous is that?
Silver go. Interesting, Jim.
Silver
Stagflation to
over
hyper.
1K in the next 2 years. It's pot like I just don't know like how much longer they can hold it down, because even the somebody that pays absolutely no attention to our deficit, you know, when they find out or when they look at how much money we owe, like, okay, so what am I gonna do? Like what am I gonna do with my money? Where should I put it to be safe? I mean, for thousands of years, gold and silver's been a safe place. It's held its value. It's gone up, gone down, of course, but you're never gonna be broke if you got gold and silver.
I mean, right now, isn't the real estate market back in the crapper? I mean, a lot of people is like, that's a great investment too, is getting some property and just waiting and then selling it.
Um,
I don't know nothing about that actually.
I mean, I always think real estate's a great option. Copper King Recycling, what's going on? What's up, B Dub? It's of course there's gonna like 2008, whatever. Real estate will have its ups and its downs, but again, the same thing with I'm not gonna compare it to gold and silver, but it holds value and it always will because somebody always needs to live somewhere.
I mean, it just seems like that would be a better risk than, stock market or crypto for sure. I don't know. To be honest, the only thing I've ever done was just my 401k with every, job I've ever had. It's just, I don't know,
Capital
match it.
currency. Refresh, man. That's the worst. I've been there before. Yeah, I agree, Yankee. Jim's saying look for something soon. 29th.
Exactly. PML. What's PML? Sorry.
Yeah, not all property is created equal. That's true. I would hate to own commercial property in New York City right now. Well, I mean, I can't say I would hate because mostly rich people own it, and I'm sure they still have money to hold it. But the value in those properties have gone way down.
Well, wouldn't this be an opportune time to buy into those properties while they're down?
Well,
Because
yeah,
it's
yeah.
New York, it's gonna go up.
But nobody needs to be in the city like they did, you know, 2019.
That's what I'm saying. Crazy.
Precious metals, number one investment.
Yes, damn right. Yeah, that's my number one 401k now. Is my metals called.
Coin sniper. Little Tommy boy action right there. That's perfect timing right there. Private mortgage lending. That's
Black
what Yankee was
Friday.
talking about.
Oh, private. Yeah,
29th of
Black Friday.
October. Oh, wow.
Safer than the stock market. Big time. Going back to what BR said, I mean, I want to invest. I mean, it's hard to start a business, but I mean, I want to start with something where, it's, I mean, I can't put more work into my stocks or my cryptos, but I could bust my ass more and put more money into my business. And I mean, yeah, I could totally fail, but I just, give it a shot rather than just dumping my money blindly into something that could drop to zero or I don't know. Give it a shot.
Mm-hmm. Trace says they're going to tax us to death, literally. Yeah. Jim says 29th of October, 1929 is when the stock market crashed.
Black Friday.
A couple days away. I like that See what Silver Clan said.
Dude's smart. He has like he owns some mining.
It's, 1970, my dad bought 2,500 toilets, $40 a piece at clearance discount from the maker, then sold them to the government for $3.99.
Theory boxes. Is that where the $800 toilet seats came from in the 90s?
The golden throne, man.
Damn right. John Ruck, what's up, man?
What's up, John?
What about the toilet paper industry that just got a big old vitalization this last year? I mean, God, can you imagine owning stock in some of those companies? I don't even.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know.
Did you hear about the new tax that they're trying to put out? So you understand capital gains, right? So you make money like on an investment of some sort. When you take the money out, you got to pay for that. So now they want to tax unrealized gains, or I think that's what it's called, unrealized. So like if you own stocks in the stock market right now and you made 20 grand off that stock, but you didn't sell it, it's still there, but it's still worth that amount. Now they want to tax that
Oh,
for like
Jesus.
for like the wealthiest 10% or something like that. Like how do you even how do you even how do you do that? Because what if the stock goes down? It's going to go up and down no matter what, whether it's $10 or $1. So how can you just tax them on, just on this day right here is what you got to pay your
Do you
tax
do
on,
it that day or do you average the whole year? Or,
yeah.
yeah.
I've read into a lot of that, Jim. I really have. I know
What's the
exactly
whole
what you're talking about.
what's the whole crap where anything over $800 is going to be taxable or flagged for is that a PayPal thing or is that just like everything?
What's that?
Like Visa, like anything over $800 is going to be.
Well, yeah. Now they're saying they're not going to be able to pass that. They're going to make it 10 grand, like it's a oh, okay, never mind. We're not going to care anymore. It's like,
So it went from 800 to 10 grand. I mean,
yeah.
God. Conspiracies.
No, it was 600 they started with. Then they went to they realized they're not going to be able to pass it. So now they go to 10 grand, which, they're still overstepping. It's like, get out of our lives. You can't have 10 grand in an account without somebody coming to look at it now, which is just absolutely insane. These ads are driving me nuts. Gotta get rid of that one.
Interesting.
Yeah, I mean, if they do, Jim, they can't get anything through, and they own the House, the Senate, and the
Exactly.
office, the Oval Office, and they still can't get it.
Huh.
Oh, nice. Yankee says they're doing a video or probably his live stream with his LCS guy about that $10,000 thing. Over 600 in profit. That's not what it is, though. It's a $600 transaction is what they're trying to get. Yeah, go ahead, Yankee. Absolutely.
Try to repaste it for you, Yankee.
Yeah, so they want to tax the amount, not profit amount, just the amount. So if you make that, they don't not tax. They want to be able to go and look and see what you spent your money on or where'd you get it from. And it's like, get out of our, that's way overstepping.
Oh, he's a mod. He can do it. Cool.
Yeah, but the thing is too, they're absolutely gonna find a way around that. Like, absolutely. They got the smartest accountants, lawyers, they pay off every politician. I don't know. It's laughable. Monkey King Metals, what's going on? Hello, welcome. We are just yapping away about madness.
I don't know. I mean, they all play the game. I just want to play the game too. Let's all make money. Unfortunately,
It's gonna happen like 72 hours. Well, that's what Jim's saying. Well, actually, yeah. Today's what, the 27th,
right?
26th. Yeah.
Or how that's going to affect the stock markets.
Did you get Yankees link?
He's a mod. I think it was in there, so he dropped
I'll
it.
have to
Yeah.
go back and grab that link then. I'm in StreamYards. I can't get it.
Yeah, me too. But he dropped it. He's a mod. He can. It is stuck.
All right.
Yeah, that's what
And the thing
saying.
is that tax is going to raise like, I forgot the number. I want to say it was like $600 or $700 billion. If that's right, I could be wrong on that, but that's what that tax that's going to be those 700 people. That's how much it'll raise.
Insane.
That could be true, BR. Yeah, that's what I was talking. That's what I meant, Jim, is the unrealized gains. Because they're not capital gains until you cash it out and you take that money. Then it's a capital gain. So now like you can't get around it by just leaving it in there and saying that, because most super billionaires, they don't even have a job, so they don't pay tax. It's like they get loans and they do this and they hide their money so they don't have to pay anything. Their businesses probably do and everything. They pay tons of tax, but personal wealth is what they want from them.
And now they're tracking back transactions. Muscle Show says. Jesus.
All right, vacation time. You let me know. I'll make that bet.
That's all I'm saying.
Thanks, Tracy.
I don't know. I mean, I'm gonna, now that cryptos are kind of showing signs of life, I'm thinking about dropping more back in, but
I'm
I'm
telling you,
still not.
just buy some Shiba. You won't regret
Well,
it.
yeah, I'll invest a few hundred into it, but it's like,
I mean, like right now, like do it right this second.
share your screen and sign up now.
It is so worth it, man. I'm telling you, it's
Actually,
gonna
that'd be a
go.
good
Even
thing.
if it doesn't go any, like you're gonna make some kind of money off it for sure.
Yeah.
The AEH, tell them buy some Shiba right now.
It's all debatable.
That'd be awesome, Jim. I know Trump tried to abolish them. Hopefully he did. We just don't know about it yet. What's up, Philip the board?
Where do babies come from?
Scott, you can answer that one. What's
Oh
up, Lincoln?
no.
Yeah,
There's
I'm gonna grab
plenty.
some water real quick. You all right?
You're good. Yeah,
All
good.
right.
That is, there is plenty of other channels that would definitely describe that in more detail for you, FTB. We ain't gonna go into that. I don't want to get Plumber in trouble anyway, so we won't go into that. Hey man, what's going on, everybody? Welcome in. Plumber was just doing some investment talk, so kind of talking a little bit about crypto, about a lot of things. I mean, doing a little show and tell, just hanging out. Yeah, I'm gonna check that out, Yankee. That's cool. Check that out again. Oh, that's not it. There you go. I know that's the case when around April, the IRS, but that's suspicious, Jim. It is very suspicious. What's up, buddy? Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. I mean, I lost faith. Like I should have stayed in AMC at 100 stocks at like $7 with AMC, and this is back in like February. Oh God. I mean, now I just checked. It's at 30 something. I would have been pretty good money for me. So I don't know. You kind of got to just don't invest too much. Diversify your stuff and stuff that you feel has got a good chance. Invest a little bit more into that and just wait. The IRS is 3 years behind in our tax returns. Crypto will be worthless. I recommend gold and silver. Well, I mean, at this point, I mean, crypto's based off of good faith. I mean, Yankee and Jim and all these guys could explain it better, but these stocks are based off of something. Crypto, it's kind of like we have white sheets and we got, proof of concepts and stuff like that. But a lot of these cryptos, I mean, all that Bitcoin that you own, Jim, I mean, is it based off of something? But it's just basically money you've invested into something. It's just code data that keeps recycling. It kind of just tracks the volume of the amount of crypto in that stock, right? So, I sorry, I'm trying to read it. And I know I'm trying to play devil's advocate as far as coming from. I mean, I'm not all in on crypto, but I'm definitely invested in it more than stocks because I've tried stocks and with the whole silver squeeze bullshit, I just think it's all manipulated. Everything's manipulated. It's all just a freaking the world's biggest casino, if you want to ask me. Just stick to gold and silver. Call the ride of love, Jim. I mean, they're coming up with that the federal based digital currency, and they're trying. I mean, look into that crap. I mean, they're going to basically just drop the U.S. dollar and adopt some freaking kind of crypto. I mean, what was it called? I just saw it the other day. C something, and it's going to be like a government-based type of crypto. Yeah, XRP. Yeah, they.
All right, sorry about that.
Oh, you're good. I mean, Plumber can explain XRP a little bit more to me, but they actually have more. Um, I mean, they have something backing them, not just they're just a blockchain like Bitcoin. But what's so big about XRP? What makes them different?
I don't know. I don't like. I've not looked into cryptos in depth. Like I know they all do their own things, but to me, they're all like. I think XRP is more of like a trading crypto, so other countries and versus using just say the American dollar, for instance, which most countries do. I mean, we can get into that part after, but most countries can use it as an immediate transaction. They can trade an XRP versus converting it to American dollars in order to make that trade. I mean, I know like Russia and China and Iran and Venezuela, I think one other country, they created their own way that they're holding each other's currency so they can make those exchanges without using the American dollar anymore.
Oh yeah, hmm and that pisses us off because we can't use. They don't go through us to get their money anymore. That's how we made it. Theta, yeah, Theta is excellent. I think that's not Avalanche. That's something else, but Theta's a good
I
one.
think Yankee is saying is be don't follow the crowd, which is kind of why
FOMOing.
we are gold and silver stackers, I would say, because that's definitely against what the Fed would want us to do with our money, I guess.
Well, unfortunately, I came in during the silver squeeze, and I got kind of pumped into that kind of at the wrong time as far as price. But I mean, I'm glad I finally got into it though, which is hard. I've never been able to save money in my life, besides just putting money in the bank. This is kind of just a better way, investment wise.
I mean, yeah, I guess you got a great point. How is like if America comes up with their own crypto, are they really going to let other cryptos sit there and be around? But it kind of goes back to the whole theory of what Bitcoin is. Like, if there's one computer in the world that holds Bitcoin, Bitcoin's still alive. All the accounts are still alive. It could be in any country.
It's kind of backed up onto different nodes and different, I mean, it's not just one computer, but I mean, it's kind of linked into other nodes across the world. God, if I wish I can remember all that shit
Yeah,
right now.
I agree with Will that. I mean, because people think of the silver squeeze. If you think about it in a 20-year span, like, it should be thought of, it could work. If everybody just kept buying it
Right.
and buying it and buying it and buying it,
It was
that's probably
executed
the
very
only
poorly.
way to truly squeeze gold or silver,
Correct.
mainly silver. You can't do a GameStop stop type of squeeze on silver. It's just not going to happen. Like, there's just too much money in it. It's
Well, they tried to do with silver what they did with the stocks with GMC, AMC, and GME. And it's like, you can't do that with physical silver. I mean, how many like billions of kilos does like PSLV have and SLV and all of them? I mean,
I agree with you 100%, Yankee. Like, but I don't know how I can explain it the way I think about it. Anyways, it's a way to do. I don't want to say personal transactions because that's light, but I mean, I agree with what
right,
you're
John.
saying. Like, the government's never going to allow something like that to be our monetary system without them controlling it of some sort. It's not going to. I don't see that happening.
Well, I mean, that's the whole point of it is to be decentralized, to be away from them, and that's why they're coming up with a centralized kind of cryptocurrency. I don't know. You would hope it be as an alternative and not a replacement, but
Hmm.
you know what our country does. So USD coin, that's the one. I think. Is it USD coin?
I don't know. What are you
Yeah,
talking
the
about?
USD coin is going to be the centralized, their kind of version of a decentralized crypto or currency. And what are they just going to like just all of a sudden hand everybody a crypto account and say, here's your couple $1,000, $10,000, and just say we don't accept physical money anymore of any sorts?
Hmm.
I mean, who the frick knows? They can't stop it.
I mean, I love this conversation because it's like I can understand both sides of this argument, and who the heck knows what's really going to work out. And Yankee could be 100% right, or Jim could be 100% right. It's like a power outage. Yeah, that's one thing. You can go get solar panels and you can power all your stuff. It's more of you going to have to shut down the internet. That's basically the only way that you can
Even
really
then,
stop 100%,
that's
like
still
something
not
like
going to even
Bitcoin.
stop it, though. It's still, they'd have to erase all the databases that house
Yeah,
that data and
yeah.
code.
Because when you plug it back in, it's still there.
Right.
But if it's not like from what I understand, it's not a hackable system. Like, you can't get in there and hack every single account and every single coin.
Well,
I
and
mean,
there
I'm
is
talking on a very, very, like, I know very little about this stuff.
there is ways to see, if you have an address, there's ways for people to see how much is in that account. They just don't know whose it is, but they know that somebody has this amount. They could tell what transaction they've made for how much, and the frequency. And a lot of this stuff, it's supposed to be kind of private, but it's not. I mean, you can look up somebody's Bitcoin. There's certain websites you can go to look at how much people have in their accounts.
Mm-hmm.
And I haven't even looked too much into that because I'm scared to. But who knows? There's a lot of smart people out there.
Mm-hmm. But as me myself, I make money off crypto. Like that's what I do with crypto. The fact that I hold one is because I think it's going to go up, and I think I'm going to make money off it and pull it out. Like that's the way I think about crypto. But other people they fully think like Bitcoin. It's 60,000, 62,000,
Right, and
whatever
they're
it
going to do a
is.
burn here
It's
soon. Yep.
and then a bunch of people pulled their money out. It went down to 25 ish, 30, whatever it was. Now it's back up again, and a huge volatile market because it's anybody can buy it, anybody can get in, anybody can get out. And to me, that's the way I can make additional money. That's the way I look at it. Like not necessarily saying that this is the future of our monetary system. I don't really know that I believe that because I don't see countries allowing that to happen. But I can see the flip side of it as well. It would have to be some sort of revolution on a mass scale. But
Well, I mean, just in El Salvador, like Muscle Show saying, that's only been a couple months now. And I don't know if it was a hospital or something. The profits that they've earned just in these few months has paid for millions of dollars for this new hospital they're going to build.
to a
So
million.
it's kind of doing pretty good.
You're a Yankee. I love that comment. What's up? Kanye. I always forget how to say that for some reason. What's up? How you doing? No, B-Dub, it's like for me it's 100% you're wrong because I am listening and I just kind of explain what I do with crypto. And it's just like investing in anything. You're putting your money in and you're going to hope you're going to make some money off of it or stay there, right? So that's exactly what I do with crypto. But some other people believe that this is the way it's going to be, and fill out the board.
That's what I'm saying.
But if I can continually make money off crypto, I don't see anything wrong with it. Nothing at
That's
all.
what it was.
What's up, Debbie?
CBDC are the death of the current crypto. That's what I was trying. That's the government's version of crypto. CBD, whatever. That one's bad news. All I know. I don't know how
American
to
Eagle
explain
Hoarder,
it.
you can hack an iPhone, and the feds did it.
Yeah. Well, Apple kind of had to allow them to do it, get into their security keys for stupid reasons.
B-Dub, it's gonna have to happen one day. I know that. Like how much can they print that has no value, Muscle Show. I love it.
Get your crypto, don't marry it.
Jim says Bitcoin is the grandfather of all crypto. It'll never go away. It'll only grow. And I can see that. I can see that just the way that it's gone.
Especially he's got in at 16. It's like I knew some people that got in at 4,000, and it's like you guys are the OGs that are going to be running the country someday. We hope.
Yeah. I don't
Just
know.
like
I don't want to get political, but you can't not see what Joe Biden looks like. That's nothing against the Democratic Party or the Republican Party or anything. You just got to look at what he looks like. It's like how is he capable to run our country, and that's what scares me the most.
I don't think he's making
I
hardly
don't
any of the decisions
I don't
at
either,
all.
but I don't want to get political like that. I just don't understand that, and on the flip side, I'm sure, how could somebody let Trump run our country, like for the people that think that way. And it's just like, I get the arguments. It's just, you just
There's
look
no
at the
middle
guys
ground.
all, yeah.
Why can't we come to a middle ground on all of this stuff? It's almost impossible unless you, I don't know, got
Yeah,
to have
fill up the
some kind
board.
of.
I heard about that. It's pretty cool. I mean, that's the only way to do it because they're always going to figure out a way to hack the iPhone. And I remember there was a huge case going on where there was something about terrorism or something, and Apple would not allow they wouldn't give them their code or whatever they needed to hack that iPhone,
I think
even
they
though
finally
even though they
ended up.
do the exact opposite in China. But that's they're China.
I think they finally ended up doing it after, I don't know. They weren't forever, but they finally ended up doing it.
Yeah, it's funny. Muscle shows Tesla and Apple were terrible buys, weren't they? Pigs get slaughtered. That's right, Yankee. That's right. Yeah. And I'd never realized, like, I
Exactly.
reading into this financial system and stuff, that in 71 they had no choice but to come off of the gold standard. Otherwise, they would have ran our country into the ground because everybody was cashing in their notes. And if they didn't do it, we were toast.
See, just
I agree,
learning all
Yankee.
this
Yep.
stuff. Just learning,
Diversify.
soaking in all this information, guys. I don't wish you guys understood how much good information this all is.
Well, I mean, the chat's giving us most of the good information, so
You
I
guys,
think
you
they
guys should be
do.
up here telling us what to
I'm
do,
just
man.
trying to kind of narrate everything.
You guys are the ones rocking it. Yeah, I don't know. After 8 months of investing, finally, well, almost about a year with crypto, I don't know. I've done a lot better. I mean, I've definitely made money, and the money that I did make, I just put right back into my crypto. So it's just like investing in your own company, and hopefully it's going to just keep growing.
Yeah. What's up, Cash Money?
Cash money. Did you see I get that Club Geiger the other day from Jenny? I got a Club Geiger for $80,
Oh,
85.
you played that game? I
Oh,
think I saw that, and I was like in and out, I think, and I saw they were playing a game with that Geiger.
yeah, Club Geiger for $80, and I was like, I'll take it.
Yeah,
No, it
yeah.
was I sniped it. No, actually, it was on I think Jeff's or Oregon stream, and well, she buck and goat it. So what do you want me
Oh,
to do?
really? It sold for that little? Aren't those like the club Geigers? Don't they go for like an
100,
astronomical amount?
180 was
And
I
you
was
got it for
looking at.
$80?
$80.
Wow.
I mean,
Debbie,
I
I
thought it.
know all about that, but it's just it's a hard thing to fathom in my eyes. Like I would love it if something like that were to happen. Don't get me wrong. And I've really dug, like, in 2000 I had quite a lot of time to do a lot of different things that I never got to do. Like learn about investing for one,
Hmm.
got into silver and gold.
Hmm.
Here I am now on freaking YouTube talking about it with all you fine people. Dug into that stuff, that what Debbie's talking about, and I mean, who knows? Who knows what they hide so much from us that who knows? Yeah. We're slowly starting to understand what they've been doing to us for the past, what, 50 years, 60 years, intensely. But even before that, when they brought the Fed in, which is 100% unconstitutional, they signed that bill into law, and that was pretty much the end of it for us. That's why our founding fathers said that you can't do that. Everything has to be silver and gold.
Well, yeah, that's why it's like, I don't know. We're just gonna have to see. I mean, what can we really do? I mean, it's basically we're gonna have to basically react to what they do. No amount of like, I don't know. I mean, I don't even want to say what would have to happen, but I don't know. I just don't like how the country's going. It's kind of scary.
Oh yeah, it's got to come to a head. I mean, just look what this. The closer look at the federal spending and revenue, like this is 2019, like you're talking multiple trillions of dollars, and when you spend over your entire GDP for years and years and years, and you're passing laws that add in tens and fives and $8 trillion here and three there and 10 here, and it's how do people not really realize that our dollar is absolutely worthless if you get down to the bottom of it?
Well, I think they've known this forever. It's just nothing they could do to stop it, really. I mean, some political parties got into office, and some people got into office that kind of slowed it down and maybe sped it up at times, but nothing's really slowed it down. I remember when I was in high school, it was at 7 trillion. What's it out now? 20 trillion, or what's our deficit at? It's
I
insane.
27. I don't even know
20.
anymore. I don't even like stop paying attention because it's
Yeah, like
really
long time ago, like when Clinton was in office, I think it was like 7 or 8
it's
trillion.
just a laughable number. It's like
Insane.
when you go to the bank and you get a loan. This is like the funniest thing in the world. So you go to the bank, you get a loan, just say for $100, right? Sign the papers, they give you $100. The bank didn't even have that $100. They typed into the computer, we're going to create $100 more and give it to you. So here you go. And that's all that they do. It's like money just appears out of nowhere. I mean, that's a very, very broken down, easy way to say it. There's a lot more complex than that, but really, that's all that happens.
So
And
don't
they
what
make
they
money
do.
off of that, and then they take that money back. That money never leaves circulation, but yet you created more money, but it's
Won't
out of nowhere, just out of thin air, because they gave a letter to the Fed, and the Fed said, "Okay, here you go. Here's another $100. Go ahead and give it to
right.
them. Now you're going to pay us interest that you collect interest from them. Then you take your money, and then you pay us interest, and then we'll collect the money back,
Correct.
and the money still stays." They said they estimated $10 quadrillion in the world. Like what? It's just unreal, unreal numbers you can't even. I don't even understand it. That's kind of yeah. It's kind of what I'm talking about, Philip. Yep. It's like it used to be. You got to hold 30% of reserve. The bank did. So if you brought them $10, they could loan out 7. But now they can loan out 10. But actually, they can loan out more than that. But that's just it's. I think in 2018 or 19 they took that away to where you don't even the banks don't even have to hold 30% anymore.
Correct. Yeah. It's a Fannie Mae, Sally Mae crap. No, that was a long time ago. I'll be right back, Plumber.
Yeah. The Bible of value investing. That sounds like a good one. I see what you're saying. Yankee and fill up the boredom. I'm trying to read both of them and get into both of those conversations. but I just don't understand enough of it yet. And I can't wait till I do, because I can't wait to just to preach about it, like and just really hopefully break it down better to where, if I were talking to somebody like me before I started looking into it, I can make them understand it. It's just very interesting stuff. And how anybody can truly understand it, I have no idea how the years of research that you would have to do to truly understand our financial system, like inside and out, and how they just make money out of nowhere.
So do we start like a big old fist fight in chat?
No, it's actually a really good conversation going on.
Yeah, you guys are so freaking knowledgeable and smart about this stuff.
Explain why I invest in silver,
The
because
upside.
it showed me how to invest. And I think that it's an asset that I can, something that I know that will always hold value, regardless of what happens. So if the stock market crashes or we have another 2008, the banking system finally blows up, my gold and silver is still going to be worth something. Now, do I think those things are actually going to happen? I don't know. I mean, something's got to happen, because you can't just keep on the road that we're on. I mean, it's insane, the road that we're on, the debt that we're putting into generations from now. Like we're talking now about our kids paying this stuff off, and it's somewhere safe to put some money, and I make more other ways, and then I can buy a little bit more. I mean, that's not to say that I'm a stacker. I am more of a collector, because I do feel that my collection will be worth
Right.
a lot more.
A lot of us
Not
started as stackers.
Yeah, I mean, unless something tragically happens, I still do stack, though. I don't stack primarily anymore, though. I just bought um $20 face value in quarters, 90% quarters. One goes into my stack, and then one goes for giveaways. Yeah, China's been the biggest buyer of gold. China and Russia, biggest buyers of gold over the last like 5 years, I think. I agree, Will. It is great. I love talking about this stuff. I just wish I could talk more in depth about the financial system. I really do.
I mean, I've gone through so many videos and watched so many people talk about and read so many articles and books about this stuff, and now it's like I totally don't give a shit. It's it's frustrating when all this stuff that you kind of invest in and do it, and it just kind of craps out. Some of the stocks that I've gone into have just tanked,
Oh yeah,
and it kind of just disheartening, to be honest.
that's what I like to call myself too, Yankee. A clacker.
Clacker.
But you know what? With gold, I don't care how much. Like I don't care about premium gold, which is awesome, because that stuff's like stupid expensive.
Right.
So that's one thing that I just, when I can buy it. Here you go, hoarder.
That's that badass collection.
I bought those off American Eagle Hoarder.
That's a sick collection, AEH. That's a nice.
So yeah, I just got those today. Same here, Jim. I just like it so much, I enjoy it. But I also like the fact that, buying just like generic rounds or constitutional silver. You just know that you have money sitting there regardless of what happens, because silver and gold has always had value, always, since humans learned how to talk.
Rabbit hole.
Yeah. Right.
What's that going to
Prepper stacker, one who focused on amazingly low premiums like call eagles and
Oh
stuff
God.
like that,
God, I was
or
seeing
premium items in order to prepare for retirement or economic crisis collapse.
right. I mean, that's pretty much what I'm doing it for.
I love them,
Retirement.
hoarder.
Or for a piece of land or to reinvest into a business.
Yep. Yankee, thanks so much for hanging out. This has been a lot of fun.
Take care,
I didn't even
Yankee.
plan on being on this long, but we got some really intelligent people in the room, so
Minus me, I'm bringing down the
yeah,
crowd.
same
So
here.
sorry, everybody.
We're just here to add the clown aspect.
Oh God. There was a time when I'd actually have a lot of good knowledge on some of the cryptos, so I'm gonna get back into it. I'm gonna get more knowledgeable. I got to do it for my own sake, for sure.
Yeah, thanks, Yankee. That was fun. 4.99 super chat. Thank you, Yankee.
It's not going down to your
See you
bank.
Thursday night on Ask Yankee.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, this is fun. This is the stuff that I really enjoy.
Well, I'm gonna be honest. I loved when you and Raven were talking the crypto talks. I was on there, and I mean that was back when I kind of could participate and kind of drop some little bit of knowledge that I had. But
Mm-hmm.
I mean, this is cool. I mean, maybe because you had Texas Joe up here, like a month or
Mm-hmm.
so ago. That was a great talk too. I mean, it'd be great to have Yankee or Jim or any of these guys come up and school us on all this shit.
You know what? I guess you're right, B Dub. It would not be a plumber stacker stream if we didn't do a couple items, right?
Yeah, I
But
guess
I do
B
plan
Dubs.
on doing more of that. We'll do a buck and go on this Pirates of the Caribbean coin.
Well, B Dub's already in at 35, evidently.
Oh, LJ, what's up? One more thing. I just heard from my financial advisor that I can retire early. Finally, Yankee.
That
Finally.
is very
That's
cool.
awesome.
Congratulations. So
Do
that means
it.
you're going to show your face here soon then. Aha.
Do it, Yankee. Do it.
So your face. Show your face.
That's awesome. All right, B Dub 36, Hoarder 40, 41 B Dub. Bin the dogs. That's PR.
Yeah, give me $10 million and it's all yours, BR. And then I'm going to steal it back from you.
I knew you
Sorry.
weren't going to do it, Yankee. Do it. Go
Oh,
enjoy
come on,
life.
baby.
I'm sure you already are, though. Jim says, I got gold, silver stock, Bitcoin, 35K rounds of ammo, 3 years of food, plenty of water, and a ton of dead residence paper. I'm ready. Bring it on.
Mm-hmm. Stinking TP when you got money.
Yeah. That's cool. Shibu is kicking butt, LJ. I love it.
Yes,
Well
sir.
said, Will.
Diversify.
All right.
Same with my gold and silver stack too. It was like I didn't want to do just. That's why I kind of just start doing eagles, and then I did some of these. Now I want to do libertads, but I want to do it smart.
So do you stack any like constitutional silver, generic stuff like that, or are you all premium?
When I one of my the second purchase I ever bought was from FTB. I bought a roll of Kennedys from him for like $200, like February or March, and I just ended up selling it. So I've kind of gotten away from that. I've gotten a lot of other fractional. The only reason I got it was to have some fractional silver because at that point I'd only have 10-ounce bars and some 1-ounce rounds, and I need some fractional. But
Mm-hmm.
now I'm kind of like, no, I got gram bars. I got all kinds of fractional that I could use now. Besides, and But it doesn't hurt to have that stuff. All that stuff's still silver for sure.
See if I can't bring up the video here. I did it once before.
Eagle Hoarders of 45.
There's no volume though, huh?
Well, I started over.
You're not going to get volume, but I hope you know when the video ends.
Here it goes, guys. No, he's not going to restart it. Get your sniping fingers ready. Oh, cough down the eyes. Lead, copper,
3, 2, 1.
aluminum.
I got you, hoarder. I got to look at YouTube. Crap.
Yeah, you hit 45. I saw it.
Yeah, no, I saw him. I saw.
Oh.
Jim's in
Jim,
the chat.
though.
He's gonna try to snipe something.
But Jim ruins all your good intentions. And
I was just gonna say that. That's why I had to check YouTube. I knew it.
it's like, well, you thought that you had it AEH, but this is Jim Cope we're talking about. So.
Oh man, what's up, Red Hot?
Good job.
Just
man.
broke 100 face value quarters. That's or constitutional. That's awesome.
That's cool. That's very cool.
Big Red, what's going on?
What's up, sir? Love watching him pour.
Yeah.
God. Can't wait to hear from iCirc too. He's probably getting settled now. He's been there for a week or so, and
He's gotta be.
I want to start seeing him pour again.
I send you some quarters. What do you mean, send you some quarters? Red Hot. I don't know. I know I do have Mark Dimes somewhere, but I don't have them close by. Let's do one of these. Get rid of that video. Yeah, shoot me an email. All right, we'll do this one as a buck and go as well. This one's got all the favorite people on there. There's Biden, Pelosi, and Fauci. That guy's got a mask on. That's hilarious. What's up, Savvy?
Savvy Stacker.
Buck and go. Inflation is coming. See that? Even the coin says it. Paying debts with printed press. Oh, paying debts with the printing press. All right, then that makes sense. It's like, what the heck does that mean? It is. It's a melter, Jim.
Man.
It's like the triads.
I see 1 6. I see another 6, and I'm sure I see another 6 somewhere in there. Yeah, it's the devil's coin, Jim.
He's got 30 masks. Butch, what's going on? Capital Curd says, I just poured a skull and a gummy bear and a guitar pick while lurking. Nice. Did you do a video on it? Finally, a Biden round, says BR. -1. I think the coin's hilarious. I had to get it when I saw it. Well, we talked about all that stuff and we only got one thumbs down. That's not bad. I figured I would have got more. Sounds like a deadhead pour. What are you guys trading crypto, Muscle Shell? I don't even have my phone in here. I don't think P-Dub. It's always best to email because I look at my email while I'm streaming most of the time, as long as my computer's working properly. Muscle Shell's he's a hustler, man. That's awesome. Oh, that's great. Let's see if I can't find the proper proper video this time. We're gonna do one more item after this, and we're gonna call it. I bet you it's this one. All right, this is just a trial. This doesn't count. It does work, but I don't have a way to stop it, so we're only going once. I think the price is, let's see, a -10 by LJ. $10 to capital currency right now. Don't bother sniping because I'm just gonna wait till this is over and. Oh, you know what? I can.
3, 2, 1.
Perfect. Perfect. I did get it. All right, we're gonna go twice. Got red hot first one at 12. Oh my Lord, Jim, are you kidding me? Holy shit. Oh my Lord. I bet he doesn't care if it's gonna tank or not. Holy shit. Like red hot. First
3, 2, 1.
23. That'd be awesome, Tracy. All right, where's the sold? It's coming. There it is. It's like capital currency. Capital currency, $32. So Tracy says that you have to do a video melting this capital currency.
Wrong button.
You booted yourself.
Booted myself.
What's up, Native Warrior?
So who won that? Capital.
Butch.
Pelosi, man, is a tough second.
Oh, all right. What are we gonna end it with?
Her face alone.
How about we'll do this guy here?
Oh, he's busting out the slabs, guys.
This is the holographic slab. You see that?
Old school hollow 3D.
Hologram 3D. That's so cool. We're gonna start this off at $45. This is a MS69 2017 American Silver Eagle.
Oh, okay.
Why is
Like
that
I
not
got
focusing?
one of those too. But
There
mine
we
is
go.
a 2015 MS69. EH at 45.
Bobbing his head. Where's ringing? He'd start singing that one. I know you're bobbing your head.
Cause I can see.
Auction off one Libertad. What's up, Kellen? All right, now we're back to normal. Scott loves YouTube's in the background.
That's me, buddy.
All right, this is going to be a long auction item. I got to go help out the missus real quick. I'll be right back. You cool?
We still got EH. Yeah, we're good.
All right.
EH at 45. I'm trying to stay in the background, man. I don't want to. This is Plumber's show, man. I don't want to. I think it's an MS69, Jim. MS69. I don't know if it was a first strike or not, but let me have it. Well, all right. I can't do the video, but I can do going once. So we're just going to have to wait. It needs to be mine. Kellen L, what's up, sir? All right, we'll just do going once. Eagle, see it? But I also like American Silver Eagles, and my name is not Eagle Hoarder. I just love YouTube, man. It was a sick label, though. Those old school 3D stickers and all that stuff we used to have back in the 80s and 90s. Yeah, exactly. I love that, Tracy. Buy YouTube? I would love to, and then I'd be like, y'all can cuss, and well, no, we still got to keep rules. Rules is what American. Oh man, I think Mr. Beast is in line for that. That dude makes all kinds of money. But yeah, that's Spyflix. 7 million Shibu now on SLJ. Buy more crypto. I don't know. I'm waiting a little bit longer. I gotta wait. I honestly think it's a double dead cat bounce. I still don't think the bull runs on yet. We'll see, man. I really, really hope it's popping out because, of course, Bitcoin and Ethereum. Ethereum's up above 4K. So, all right, we're gonna go twice. Plumber should be back here soon. He can run the video. Going twice. It's frightening. fact, you know what? I don't have to wake up early. I'll drink to that too. Cheers, y'all. Oh, you can't see my screen. The crowd is cheering your name.
All right,
Let's
sorry
go.
about that.
I finally did see that NASCAR clip of the Let's Go Brandon clip.
It's hilarious,
Just
isn't it?
dying. Is she that retarded, or is she just, very smart at covering that up?
That was great. All right, y'all ready?
Yeah, we already went twice, so all right, here we go, guys. Good luck. Cheers to that, Mopar.
Sheba broke. Yeah, right. You gotta get in it, Scott.
Three,
See,
two,
I'd be the
one.
one FOMOing it right now if I did.
Somebody's gonna steal this thing. What the heck?
And none other than,
Let's see.
I think it's AEH did.
Yeah, Hoarder got it. 51.
Just above Muscle Shell.
Let's see if I
Wow.
can share that. Oh, look at me go here. Wow.
I am.
Hoarder got it. That's a wow. Stole it.
Good one. Pretty banging for a Tuesday. We all missed the auctions on Tuesdays, but we kind of we dig this too, man. For sure.
Yeah,
I
this
do.
was fun. I had a lot of fun.
I mean, anybody can do all those other guys are doing auctions every damn night. We all go in and we still love them, but why don't they come hang out with us? Why don't they come and talk to us?
I'm the black cat now. You didn't know?
Yeah, whatever. But we all know.
It's
We all
true.
come on, guys. We love Plumber. Show your love to Plumber, because we all love him. But yeah, no, this is good stuff, man. And I don't know. Hopefully, like on Friday, man, I want to do some kind of cool stuff too, like this stuff. So we all try to be like Plumber, or we should be.
Yeah, right. All right, one Liberty. Oh, it's a 2022. Look at that.
22.
2020.
Oh.
All right, Phil, this is going to be the last item, though.
You said 2020, y'all.
We'll start off at spot. We'll say
What?
25.
Jesus, dude. I'm about to bid here.
2020. The year that will live forever.
That's crazy. So I've been asking all kinds of people, where exactly do you buy the libs from? Like the Mexican Mint, or do they go directly to the dealers like Amex, and all that shit?
Wherever I can find a deal.
No, I'm
I
saying,
mean,
but
you can't
you
always
can't
find deals,
you can't
but
you can't buy them directly from the mint or anything, or
certain times you can. Like the mint out of these, like you got to go to the secondary market for stuff like this. Like the only thing you can go to the mint for is stuff that's just coming out.
yeah, but that's what I'm saying. When the next Libertads won't come out, I want to be on those every year, buy a tube of them, and
But yeah, well, I don't know that you can buy from the Mexican mint though. I've never tried that one. That'd be that would
and I briefly kind of looked into it, me and MRG, but it's like I didn't really. And there are websites where it's like the official Mexican Mint. I forget what it's called, but I don't know. It's all in Spanish, so I didn't understand it.
I ordered. Who was it from? It was all in different language, but I still ordered it, And like even the currency was until I got finally to pay it in PayPal is when I actually knew what the cost was going to be.
Jeez.
And I can't remember. I think I got the. What did I get from them? Yeah, I don't remember. Let me see. I might have.
Well, like even the Geigers, I went on, I think the
Oh, here you
Geiger,
go.
the official Geiger website, looking for a 5-gram gold Geiger, just to kind of price them and stuff. And
This looks like German to me.
that's what I'm saying. Can't read it.
And these guys sent me a box. I ordered 2 coins from them. They sent me a box bigger than this whole catalog. It was massive and it had 2 boxes. I'm like, what did I order? I forgot. It was 2 coins.
Holy cow. Packaging. B-dubs at 42.
Yeah, I had
Surfer, what's up, man?
go through customs and all that stuff.
Huh.
Yeah, if you're gonna get into Shiba, I'd wait. If it just broke that, I would wait because it'll drop.
This would be the ultimate FOMOing in if I went in now, and I've said that a week ago.
But it's still like.
Yeah, I mean, because
I
everybody's
did, Jim. If you want me to hold till Saturday, I could do that though. But still, like, man, I'm telling you, like, I'll look it up right now. Hang on, I'm gonna show you what.
I mean, with my douche coin, I got that at I'm mostly at about 20 something cents, 28 cents, with all that, and I got thousands of douche coin. But I mean, if it goes up to $1, then I'm set.
So I got 4,500 XRP, and then I have 12,700,000 blah 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 blah, and I put $500 in, and I got 12 million of them. That's probably the 4th time that I bought.
Huh. Actually, I need to check an email because I think I just did get paid again. I might do that.
I mean, just throw like $100 in it, dude. Like just to have it. You know, if it goes crazy, you're gonna kick yourself.
Well, no, yeah, I'm gonna do that. I just been waiting for this paycheck, so I had to get tires on my truck last week and my car.
I gotcha.
It's like, dang. Yeah, exactly.
Life happens, right?
I was like, 25 cents is way too much, and I still got it. But I've basically been at even. It's been kind of going sideways for me. You know,
oh, Butch. Oh, no.
Oh, man, I had Litecoin for a while, too, and I made a little bit of money off of them in the first bull run. Litecoin, I thought was the same thing. It was going to blow up, too. All right, here we go, guys. We're on
3, 2, 1.
See, I always worry about that too, like forgetting passwords. And you gotta I took pictures of that screen where they show you like 100 different pictures that you gotta remember.
Mm-hmm.
And I deleted the pictures on one of them. Jim, the fucking master sniper here. Look at that, right above the sold.
Jim is the man. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna get in it here soon. I've just been watching it a lot more lately. I watched it a few weeks ago when crypto was kind of popping, and I told everybody it's a false breakout, and I was right. But it did pop this time, so I don't know. We'll see.
Yeah. I'm just glad because like Dogecoin, when that came out, I was just wasn't interested, you know, like, and then this time I was like, you know what, screw it. I threw some money in it, and I've been trading it ever since.
Oh my God. So Ethereum topped out at 43.83 before, and now it's at 43.77. So Ethereum is about to hit its all-time high here too. And hopefully that'll kind of trickle down into the secondary coins, and like the Litecoin and the Bitcoin Cash. And
Is What is it? Is Satima? Is that on Coinbase?
I don't know.
Give
I
it
mean,
to
I
B-Dub.
CoinMarketCap is kind of the website I go to kind of view everything. If as long as it's on CoinMarketCap, I know it's pretty legit.
Jim's gonna gift that to you, B-Dub. Jim, you're
Boom.
awesome.
Nice job, Jim. You're the man, sir.
You always give stuff away like that. All right, let's do a giveaway. Let's
Ooh,
do one of these nice shiny quarters.
is that a W? There you go. No, it's an S. Groovy S. Look at that thing, guys.
There we go.
ETH 2.0.
Oh, shiny little Washington. This is Kansas.
Okay. Thanks, Will.
Jim, that's awesome of you, by the way.
You're awesome, man.
I think I. You might have a couple. I mean, we got in here 20, 24.
God, that'd be nice to 6x your money. 637%. Jeez.
Kind of a light stream tonight.
Yeah, you've been going for 2 hours. That's good. All right, get ready for the numbers, guys. One guess only, no rejections. Go.
I just bought some ETH not too long ago too, Muscle Shell.
Yeah, that's the
Oh
one.
God, I forgot a number. Figure that one out, eh? You get it, right? All right, I'll put them in there again anyway.
Still same numbers. Restart, yeah. One guess only. No retractions unless Plumber messes it up. Okay, we're good.
$5
20.
super chat from Horta, going for his 300 subs, giving away 3 ounces of silver.
That's
Silver.
I still got a little ways to go, but that's what I was going to do for my 300.
3 ounces.
Yeah. An ounce every 400 or every 100.
That's a good idea. Does everybody want me to ship them out, or do you want to wait till Saturday? So I got Jim, Capital Currency, P-Dub, and American Eagle Hoarder.
Anchor in the house.
Elemis, what's up?
LMS.
So I think we'll do this next Tuesday as well, because I don't think that I'll be able to do a pour, or that I want to. I might. I'll try, but
What you been thinking about?
Rocky Mountain. Let's do another stream like this.
Yeah, man.
What's up, buddy?
Rock Mountain Bear.
I can wait. All right, so B-Dub, you're the only one to ship out. All right, no problem. No, it's not Rocky Mountain Bear. It's Rocky Mountain Life Prospecting, man.
Jeez, I didn't even see that.
All right, hopefully somebody got it.
97.31. Oh, God.
I do have Cash App. It's $ Plumberstacker.
I think we got Muscle Shell winning.
Did Muscle Shell win it? You Muscle Shell? Get out of
97.1.
here.
Muscle
I gotta
Shizzle.
send out so many dude. On my last stream, I did 16 giveaways.
Yeah, that was crazy.
That was
man.
nuts. I didn't
I
realize
even
it did
got
that
one
many.
of them for a change too, man. I was like, yeah. Broke the streak.
That was fun though. I really have a good time doing that.
I know. It's kind of why I've been hoarding up on these little 1 gram things. I mean, I like those Britannias. I want to do the Britannias for my end of stream, but I don't know. I like it all.
All right, we'll do one more. How about it?
Dang, he's gonna do
Make
another
the number
proof.
a little harder.
Dang, you're not giving them plumber numbers. Oh,
I'm doing
we don't
great.
even know who you are anymore, plumber. Gosh,
Tired,
being too
man.
easy.
I want to
Being too
confuse
easy.
myself.
It's too late. It's Tuesday.
Capital.
Capital. That's awesome. Try again. What's going on?
There you go.
All right, guys, get ready. One guess only, no rejections. Go.
Try again. What is up? You can guess too if you want, Scott.
Okay.
Angry the warrior.
There's my guess. Angry, number 1, buddy.
You like how I did that on your stream too?
I'm like, can't copy me, man. Jimmy Lacari, what's up, man?
Jay
Dunberry.
Money. Jimmy Lacari, Dunberry.
Don't forget to hit the like, guys. Don't smash it. Just gently caress the like button. It doesn't need to be smashed. Everybody wants to smash the like button. What kind of shit is that?
Yeah, and don't forget to do the shout out video too. I just got the 1/10 ounce platinum in.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
That's
Dang.
from one of the members who'd like to remain anonymous. That's 1/10 there. I don't have the gold out, otherwise I'd show you. I'm doing a 1/10 ounce gold. I'll just show you the back so you don't
said
think that you're
maple or
actually
Brit?
getting that.
Oh.
Britannia. And then I'm giving away an ASE too, and probably some more stuff. So make sure you do a shout out video. Get me to 2K so we can do this GAW. Not doing a wheel though. Not gonna do it.
Classic. It took like 5 hours.
That was horrible.
We laughed the whole time.
What's up, Fubar?
We had a great time.
That was fun. I had a lot of fun. I usually always have fun when I'm streaming. Like before I started slowing down a little bit, I would say like the last 2 months, I started to not have fun. I mean, it was fun. It just wasn't like the same, you know?
You guys are grinding. It seems like you guys are just grinding. I don't know, a lot. Like you and Oregon did that like 12 or 8-hour stream on a Friday night.
Yeah.
I don't know. It just seems like you guys are kind of running into the ground.
Yeah, it did.
Stop the chat.
And then work picked up, and it was like, oh my Lord, what am I doing?
Oh, what is that? 396?
I hit the like and heard a flush. And the flush probably somebody subscriber. It could be a subscriber or a super chat.
Joined. 396.
All right. 396. I have a feeling we'll have to do this one over.
Do not.
Fubar was close. 393.
I don't see anybody.
Nada. BR Saturday was fun. That was a blast. That's why I just kept doing gauze. It was so much fun laughing. But I like doing that. I was copying off of my Silver Squad. Every time that you get a new member, they do a giveaway, and same with like super chats and stuff. So I'm gonna start doing that. I think that was a lot of fun. Copying them.
No, not a nuka. I don't understand what you're talking about, Muscle Show. Just kidding.
Rigged. Nobody won. It's still rigged.
It's always rigged. You want to talk about rigged? Come over to my show, guys, and you'll see some rigged shit.
Yeah, he's got
Plumber
this
is.
huge thing that he drinks out of every night.
That thing is massive. Don't hate. Don't hate us because you ain't us. What guess? What guess? Only no rejections. Get all my gauze going out here soon. I got like 10 people I got to mail out my gauze to. I just need to print out my cards and they're good to go. I don't think Dobbs is in chat.
Got to print out your cards. Oh, for the gauze? That was funny, dude. I like those. Scott loves the rig shit.
I do, man.
What's up, Mike?
Because Angry Warrior always wins them. Angry Warrior, Tracy, or MOZB.
Angry Warrior, Muscle Shell did it too once, but Angry Warrior, I mean, I swear he won like 100 in a row at one point. It was just crazy. I started him a wallet just for gauze because I got tired of sending cards out.
It's like a 3-week period where it's like, again?
Yeah.
Every day.
Hey, Patty, how are you? All right. Hey, I'm putting the stop in the chat.
I know. My old 6-hour race.
Yeah. It was. Oh, man. It's fun, though.
Rigged shit. All right. 561. What we got?
I win by watching. Yep. 561. I know somebody got it. I saw Patty come in with the last one, but I don't know if anybody else. Yeah, that's right. Patty, you got it.
Patty.
Look at you chopping in the stream and winning right away. I'm doing great.
Yeah, welcome in and congrats.
All right, what the heck? One last one.
Nailed it.
I swear this is the final one. Surfer, what's up? I don't know if I said hello.
What's up, Fubar? Triple rigged. Quadruple rigged.
All right, for real though, this is the last one. For real. For
the reals. One guess, only no rejections, go.
Yeah, Patty, make sure you email me with your shipping information and what you won. It's a proof silver quarter.
Cool little S. Brian Little, what's up, man? What you doing, goofy girl?
JG Meadows. Jason Gomez. What's up, man? Just in time for the last call of the evening.
Michael Bryan, welcome in. Sam CB, welcome in.
What's up, Sam?
One guess only. No rejections.
Sam got one of my cards for the first time, Scott.
Yeah, I love those cards. That was the inspiration for mine.
I love it when people get them for the first time. It's the best.
Shit, I here somewhere.
Capital Currency with a $2.99 super sticker. My hero. That's a long story, B-Dub.
Yeah.
Scott can tell you.
No, I won't. Scott doesn't have the energy for drama. But we all love Plumber. That's all that matters, guys. Y'all are in here now. That's all that matters.
We good.
This other jokester that's in here bothering Plumber, I don't mind him.
The quiet talker. Open the box and Plumber cracks in the face. That's funny.
Like with those little like punching bags that come down. Sweet. Or like a glitter bomb. I know like somebody was telling Amanda they were going to send her a glitter bomb. I think
Yeah, was it Kellen who did that? It was
Kellen
Kellen
was
or somebody else.
Was threatening to send her a glitter bomb. That would have been classic.
Yep.
567.
That's hilarious.
All right.
16,567. I saw somebody. Let me refresh. Let's make it fair.
76. 567. Oh, right there. 567.
Muscle show. What kind of guess was that?
I see Mr. Jim
567.
Cope.
Yeah, that's what I saw too.
Boom. And bonus time, Jim.
Congrats, Jim. You got yourself a nice proof quarter there.
Jim.
All right. Well, yeah, that's true. That's the last one. This one here is a Kennedy. That's not going up right now. Quarter. Riggs, says Brian. Everybody, I had a great time. This was fun.
Was a good time.
We will do this again next week, but Saturday, obviously, auction night. Probably about 9 o'clock I'm shooting for. Scott, you got any big announcement? Don't forget to do the shout out video for Plumberstacker. Let's get me to 2K.
No, I'm just doing my normal Friday stream and try to come up with better shit. I'm just trying to just not get emails from YouTube saying that I shouldn't be doing this and that. So it was kind of just cool just to have a normal stream this last week. So all good. But no, we always look forward to Saturday, man. Now that you're doing Saturday or Saturday nights, that's cool.
Cool. Thanks, Jim. I did as well. Everybody have muscle show. Buy more crypto.
Yes, sir.
Here is Silverleaf. He's streaming live right now. Let's go raid him. Never raided him before, so let's all go say hello, throw up some wrenches, then do whatever you want. Scott, thanks for joining me. Everybody have a wonderful night. Let's go hang out with Silverleaf for a bit.
Take care, guys.
All right.
Thanks,
see
Plumber.
you, man.
Take care, bro.